Want to cruise past traffic, climb hills without burning out, and turn every errand into something you actually look forward to? In this countdown, we break down the 7 best electric skateboards that balance speed, range, and control. From beginner-friendly confidence to adrenaline-ready performance, these picks make daily rides way more fun. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Uditer S3. If range anxiety keeps you from riding more, the Uditer S3 practically erases it. The removable swap-and-go battery lets you carry a spare and click in fresh power in seconds. That means doubling your distance without waiting around, perfect for longer commutes or weekend exploring. On the road, dual-hub motors deliver brisk acceleration and relaxed hill climbing, so you glide rather than grind up slopes. Large, cushy wheels and a flexi bamboo maple deck soak up cracks and seams, giving you the planted feel of a longboard with the pep of an e-drive. Charging is genuinely convenient. One charger tops you up fast, 2 slash downtime even further. The smart battery system slips into a protective sleep if you leave the board parked for a few days, preserving health and saving you from surprise empties. Confidence runs through the whole package. Quiet motors, dependable braking, and UL-certified safety make daily use feel easy. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Dnaskate version 4. The Dnaskate V4 is a grow with you board. Start in the lower speed modes and get comfortable with the smooth throttle and predictable brakes. As your skills build, step up through the modes and feel the board open into quick cruising and confident hill climbs without jumping to a pricier setup. Range is generous for everyday life. You can handle there and back commutes, campus loops, and evening spins without babying the battery. When you do plug in, a simple full charge gets you ready for tomorrow with minimal fuss. Comfort comes from the big 105mm wheels that mute rough pavement and roll over seams without drama. The deck's stability helps new riders feel secure at speed, while the refined controller keeps acceleration and braking calm and controllable. The handheld LCD remote is easy to read at a glance. Speed, mode, and remaining juice are always visible. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Jking Jupiter. Jking Jupiter is the night rider's friend. Integrated multicolor light bars ramp up visibility and flare, shifting with motion so cars and cyclists notice you sooner. It is style with a purpose, letting you ride later and feel more seen on dim routes. The deck blends bamboo for flex with multiple maple plies for strength, supporting heavier riders while keeping a lively carve. Off-road style silicone wheels shrug off pebbles and rough patches, giving you a comfortable, confident stance on mixed surfaces. Cruising speed feels quick without being twitchy, and the smooth braking keeps you in control when traffic tightens. The board also wakes automatically when you roll and powers down if left idle, so it is always ready but never draining. An intuitive LCD remote lets you switch directions and speed modes easily, and the dropped platform lowers your center of gravity for extra stability. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Dnaskate version 20. Think of the Dnaskate V20 as the V4's sportier twin. You still get beginner-friendly modes and measured brakes, but the board feels a touch more eager, with strong mid-throttle pull for quick merges and neighborhood sprints. Hills turn from obstacles into playgrounds. The range suits real life. Commute during the day, meet friends in the evening, and still have battery to spare. When it is time to charge, you are back to full without babysitting, so the board is ready whenever you are. Ride quality stays smooth thanks to dialed-in control electronics and large wheels that soften chatter. New riders appreciate the calm takeoffs. Experienced riders appreciate that the board remains composed when you lean into it. The LCD remote gives you at-a-glance data and fast mode changes so you can tame speed for busy paths and open it up on empty streets. If you are torn between a first board and something more spirited, the V20 hits a sweet middle ground. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Isinwheel V8. Isinwheel V8 is all about extending the fun. The removable battery design means longer days out without planning every stop around an outlet. Pop in a spare and keep rolling. Perfect for weekend cruises, big campuses, or scenic loops that beg for one more mile. Speed arrives smoothly but decisively, making short work of inclines and uneven surfaces. Multiple ride modes include a gentler start for crowded paths and a sportier feel when the road opens, so the board adapts to your surroundings instead of forcing your pace. comfort and control are baked in. The deck shape hugs your feet for better leverage in turns, while the 105mm wheels dull harsh impacts without feeling numb. Braking is predictable across modes, letting you feather speed in a bike lane or come to a measured stop at intersections. Ambient lighting adds visibility and a bit of flair for dusk rides. With a sturdy 8-layer maple build and UL certification, the V8 brings the confidence you want from a daily driver and the flexibility you want from a weekend toy. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Jking H2 S02. If you want something light, portable, and easy to stash, the Jking H2 S02 is your grab-and-go choice. It weighs less than many backpacks and slides under a desk or into a locker, making last-mile commutes or quick coffee runs pleasantly effortless. Despite the compact size, the deck's flexible, waterproof construction smooths rougher pavement, and the grippy surface keeps your stance locked in. For newer riders or younger teens, the approachable top speed and gentle acceleration curve keep nerves calm while skills build. Hub motor drive means quiet operation and minimal maintenance. If the battery runs low, it still rolls like a regular skateboard, so you are never truly stranded. That makes it great for spontaneous rides where you did not plan every watt-hour. The pocketable remote keeps controls simple. Switch modes, accelerate, brake, or reverse with confidence. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Isinwheel version 10. The Isinwheel V10 is for riders who want serious performance without giving up everyday usability. It rockets to high speed smoothly, so you merge, pass, and climb with ease. And you can dial the feel from mellow to aggressive with 4 selectable modes. Range is built for real commutes and real adventures. You can cover multiple neighborhoods or handle a full day of errands on one charge, reducing the mental math of, do I have enough to get home? The rugged wheel setup invites detours onto rougher paths and park-cut shortcuts. The deck construction blends strength and lightness, staying composed at speed while absorbing vibrations. Braking is strong yet progressive, so you can confidently scrub speed before corners or stop short when traffic changes suddenly. An ergonomic remote shows speed, battery, and mode at a glance, while integrated lighting boosts dusk visibility and adds a custom look. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best electric skateboards that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.